So today I'll be doing the inferior alveolar, lingual, and lumbobuccal injections. For these injections, I'll be using a 25 gauge long needle. For the IA, I will be inserting 20 to 25 millimeters. I'll be tapping osseous. I will be depositing 1.2 to 1.4 milliliters for 30 to 60 seconds. The nerves that are going to be anesthetized are the IA, incisive, and mental. The fields of anesthesia are going to be the quadrant, the whole quadrant where the injection is going to go, the periodontium of the tissue anesthetized, buccal mucosa from premolars to midline half of the tongue, and the floor of the mouth. The landmarks for both lingual and IA are going to be the coronoid notch, the pterygomandibular raphe, the internal oblique ridge, and for the IA is the lingula, and for the lingua is the occlusal plane of the mandible. For the syringe position, it's going to be the same for lingual and IA, which is cross arch of the premolars, height of the coronoid notch, 1 centimeter above the occlusal plane, and just lateral to the pterygoid raphe. For the lumbobuccal, for the lingual, I'm only going to retract 10 millimeters. I'm not going to top osseous. I'm only going to be depositing 1.2 millimeters for 15 seconds. For the lumbobuccal, I'm going to top osseous. I'm going to insert 3 to 4 millimeters, and I'm only going to deposit 0.2 to 0.45 millimeters for 15 to 30 seconds. It's going to anesthetize the lumbobuccal nerves. No teeth are anesthetized, and then the periodontium, soft tissue, buccal to mandibular molar teeth are going to be anesthetized. For the lumbobuccal, the landmarks are distal and buccal to the last molar, and height of the occlusal plane and the coronoid notch. And the syringe position for the lumbobuccal is distal and buccal to the last molar, height of the occlusal plane, and parallel to the buccal plane. So right now I'm going to start the IA lingual. Gonna retract, use my finger, just gonna go in, contralateral, the 2 premolars. So I'm gonna insert 20 to 25, and aspiration, top osseous, target reach, aspiration negative, quarter turn, aspiration negative, depositing. Okay, and then I'll retract 10 millimeters for the lingual. I'll go ahead and do aspiration negative, and okay, and then withdraw. For the lumbobuccal, I'm just gonna go the height of the occlusal plane, distal to the last molar, and then lateral, okay, and then insert, top osseous, target reach, aspiration negative, deposit, and withdraw.